I'm dipping in my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS7 Ride 254, and you will tune in to another one. And just left this store, you know what I'm saying? Picked up stuff in Harbor Freight. If y'all watched the live, you know, picked up a couple things, you know what I'm saying? I guess I'm gonna try my hand at like a tool haul, you know what I'm saying? Or just like kind of give a little review on some stuff, give like, you know, personal opinion and all that good stuff. What I really wanted to talk to y'all about, you know what I'm saying, this whole vlog and, you know, better audio thing. Like, I really just want to thank y'all for being with me, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to bring y'all the best quality content. This video right here is gonna start the mark of 4K. Don't know that number. They out. Why people want to call me when I'm busy, when I'm working and shit. So I'm not exactly sure, you know what I'm saying? The other videos, some have been upscaled to 4K, but this video is gonna be 4K like all the way. Like what I've done is I have contacted my internet service provider, who for my area is CenturyLink. For those of y'all don't know, a couple years ago we had a brand new construction home built, and there was no fast internet provider in the area. It was only CenturyLink, and at the time the only package that CenturyLink had was 25, which it was faster than their dial-up packages, but with all the devices that we have in the house, it's really not gonna work. So I know y'all seen the video where I was riding around, going to Starbucks in the library and looking for internet. If not, you know, I'll put a video up here somewhere. Just trying to do what I gotta do to make sure I'm able to get these videos up to y'all. So kind of from that hurdle of me having to deal with the whole internet thing, or the whole internet speed issue. So what I've done is I just switched up the way that I upload my videos, and I just adjust to what I need to do, you know, for said situation. So if I want to get y'all a video every day, you know what I'm saying, which I try to without, you know, burning or spinning my wheels, because that's one thing I'm not gonna do. Like, I'm not gonna, if I don't have, like, sometimes I draw like 2 a day, you know what I'm saying? And that's really just because I'm trying to keep the content coming and coming and coming. And I know a lot of people were worried about or interested in, you know, what was going on with the Caprice build. So I know that y'all was ready for that. So, you know, I had the video stacked up, you know what I'm saying? So, boom, I'm dropping them so everybody can see, hopefully helping somebody out in the end, they troubleshooting issues. But I'm not gonna force it, you know what I'm saying? I know a lot of YouTubers say they're not gonna do the clickbait thing. I'm real live not gonna do the clickbait thing. Like, I might make the title interesting, but it will always and forever be relevant to the video that I'm spitting. Like, I swear to God. Cause that's something that I know that I hate, you know what I'm saying? So I try to take my personal experience from the things that I know that I hate and the things that I know that I love, and try to incorporate them into my video. I want to know the things that y'all hate and that y'all love about YouTube videos, and I want y'all to drop them down in the comments below so that I can be the best channel for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I know a good part of it, we've been talking, we've been communicating, audio, check, you know what I'm saying, video, check, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, we up to 4K, we got crispy audio, you know what I'm saying? I do plan on kind of shooting a new format. Actually, when I do this tool haul video, I'm gonna shoot it kind of a different way and kind of just go from there. To show y'all know what I'm saying, how we can kind of mix it up. And I mean, y'all know I'm able to mix it up. I done did the inside sets with the photography setups and, you know, and the stuff in the garage, which as I'm getting everything kind of cleaned up in the garage, like more of that is going to come. Just been rearranging some things, you know. Chevelle is coming up next. That's the one that's gonna have some major work put in on it. So I moved it out of the corner so I could have enough room to, you know, do what I need to do with it. Also, the C10 is about ready. We're finna get ready to, you know, get some stuff ordered for it. We identified it in the other videos. Other than that, man, it's really just kind of playing it by ear. I got another video coming up that's gonna show y'all, you know, what's going on with the C10, you know, all that good stuff. So, or with the Caprice and where we are with that, and then, you know, future plans for that. So, just make sure you stay tuned, man, and I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I don't know where we will be at with subscribers, but if we haven't hit 600 by the time this video drops, then make sure that you tell your friends and your family and other car enthusiasts and other YouTube buddies to, you know, go check out the videos, man. Subscribe to the channel. Still doing a giveaway for the LS Swap plates for the GM platform. Make sure, I think I could put a card up here for that one. So make sure y'all check that out, man. It's your boy LS7 Rider 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses and make your strengths. Gone.